Elrond is pumping. How high can it realistically go this year? Let's discuss it. It's 2021 and as we can all see, the cryptocurrency market is in the full force of its current bull run. Amazing gains are being made all over the space, with all-time high after all-time high being set by almost every single crypto. The whole cryptocurrency market is currently valued at over $2 trillion, which is roughly double what it was this time last month, and it doesn't seem likely that anything is going to stop anytime soon. It's incredible that this could happen, as previously it took a number of years to double the market cap of cryptocurrency from 500 billion to 1 trillion, but only a matter of months to double from $1 to $2 trillion. This exponential movement of the market is the main reason to be so bullish this year, as huge gains are likely going to be made as trillions more dollars pump into the space. The bull run will most likely continue for another 6 months or so, according to the Golden Bull Cycle Ratio, which predicts the lengths of the bull markets based on the distance of time between the bear market, the Bitcoin halving and the subsequent bull run. Elrond is one cryptocurrency which is setting up for a massive 2021 with their hypergrowth start to 2021. Their recent pump is setting them in a very impressive 2021 start. Smart investors will very likely be taking profits on the way up and on the way down in this market, in order to minimise the risk to themselves should the market turn against them. At some point the bull market will end because it cannot go on forever. However, the data suggests that there is still around 6 months left, meaning there is still a good amount of time to make some great gains in the cryptocurrency space, especially with altcoins. Today we're reviewing our price prediction for Elrond EGLD and how high it can go this year based on the pump it's been receiving in the past few days. Make sure to watch the video till the end for all the essential information. This is not financial advice and is for entertainment purposes only. We always stress that you do your own due diligence. Please like and subscribe for daily videos and hit the bell icon to turn on all notifications. YouTube does gatekeep some cryptocurrency content, so to get access to this time-sensitive information immediately, make sure to turn on all notifications. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be posting there more regularly with weekly and monthly coin calls and also in-depth research of more obscure altcoins, so if that's something you're more interested in, please check it out. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. Elrond's recent announcement of the Maya exchange of their platform has sent a shock through the cryptocurrency, causing it to break past its recent all-time highs to run to around $240 before a recent correction. The Maya exchange is the ultimate automated market maker, re-architecting some of the key elements to build a product that can leverage the entire performance of the Elrond architecture to offer global, near-instant, inexpensive transactions between an expanding suite of assets. The Maya exchange will be available on the Maya app, allowing for users to benefit from its incredible use that the exchange will provide, with incredibly low fees and near-instant transaction times. This announcement was incredibly bullish for the protocol and it's the clearest reason that we can see that Elrond has been pumping in the past few days, combined with the bullish altcoin season that looks set to happen with Bitcoin stalling out in the past few weeks. Many altcoins have been running up in price and Elrond is no exception. Over the past 3 months, Elrond have been releasing announcements about their projects seemingly every day with their hypergrowth scheme, which has been running for about 100 days now. Bullish news and integrations have been happening for the protocol for some time, and it's all culminated in the announcement of their Maya exchange. Elrond's protocol is already an exceptional project which seems to have large benefits over its competitors as it is, but entering the DeFi and NFT space on the project is exceptionally bullish, especially at this point in the bull run. Elrond already has an incredibly fast blockchain and ecosystem with many benefits, but the additional utility provided by the Maya exchange, along with the integration with the app, means that the exchange could be set to have a huge volume once it releases, and is giving a big incentive for users to buy tokens in preparation, enhancing the growth as people buy in, not wanting to miss out. Furthermore, those who stake their tokens get an increased multiplier of the MEX token, which will be distributed to all token holders as a governance token in conjunction with the release of the exchange. Elrond's goal of tokenization of everything will likely be one of the next steps beyond this point, but the sheer amount of adoption this could bring, along with the additional utility this adds to the entire EGLD ecosphere, is a massive revelation, and we've seen Elrond pumping massively in the past week on the back of this bullish news for the project. Massive adoption curves could be triggered as Elrond gets more use for its additional features as well, strengthening the network as a result in the future. The news is looking more and more bullish for Elrond as time goes on. Elrond has been performing exceptionally well in the past year and has breezed past its all-time high in the past few days as a result. The recent news of the exchange announcement has pushed EGLD beyond its previous all-time high of $204 to over $240 before its recent pullback, but it seems likely now it's broken out of its all-time high resistance again that the price will continue on its upwards trajectory for some time in the next few weeks. Since March 2020, Elrond has ran from the lows of around $5 per token to $240 in the past few days, after breaking out of a consolidation period of a few months off the back of a pump in January. The recent bullish sentiment of the whole market has sent Elrond on another run again, from $130 to $109 before a small pullback, and is now breaking out of its previous all-time high resistance into new price discovery territory. With a market cap of $4 billion, a project with the goals of Elrond could easily 10x as the bull run develops from here, which could be anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000 as the bull run continues, giving it a market cap of around $40 billion. Many have even suggested that Elrond could run as high as $10,000 per token this year, which would be a market cap between $150 and $200 billion. When you look at how good Elrond is and the adoption they are now starting to receive, along with the technology that they are developing, they are trying to create a truly massive ecosystem that can do almost everything. Elrond seems undervalued at its current price, and a valuation of $100 billion or more by the end of the bull run does not seem out of the question whatsoever. It's already got a complete implemented and working ecosystem that is incredibly fast, scalable and powerful, and projects that are already collaborating and working on the platform, and adding the DeFi space to its roster as well as NFTs could potentially very well see EGLD have a huge pump with users and retail investment coming into the protocol. It's very easy to imagine that Elrond could achieve a 10x from here or even more, and if they continue to get adoption from more and more projects, their ecosystem is going to flourish, and it could easily reach a huge market cap valuation of $100 billion or more in 2021 because of this. It looks like they're on track to get great adoption, and this will be key for the long-term success of the protocol. When taking a look at the technical analysis, the recent bullish momentum of the cryptocurrency space and also news for Elrond is seeing the price push into new all-time highs of $240 plus, before a cooling off period in the $230 range. Now that it's broken its previous all-time high, there is no more resistance on the chart, and it seems likely that with bullish sentiment currently, that the price could continue on its bullish path for the next few weeks, taking it into $300 to $400 range before becoming extended. If the price action cools off in this period and continues, a price target of $400 to $500 in the short term could become a reality, setting up Elrond for a massive finish at the end of the bull run sometime in September-October time. Elrond has massive bullish momentum and has been cooling off in the $230 to $240 range for the past few days. The selling pressure looks as though it's decreasing, and it seems only a matter of time before there is another pump. The sky is the limit for Elrond currently, and the price action could take it as high as $500 in the next month before it becomes overextended for a more prolonged correction and consolidation. Elrond is a highly scalable and future-focused blockchain that could have massive potential going forward, and it's already receiving great adoption. It has massive fundamentals, and it seems very likely it can get a good adoption and it will succeed in the future. Elrond's smart contract platform is extremely fast and scalable, currently able to process 16,000 transactions per second. Their blockchain has a massive amount of incentives for adoption, especially for investors, with the ability to stake and secure the ecosystem, whilst also earning a very favourable yield of up to 20%. Because of its Generation 3 proof-of-stake architecture, combined with their adaptive state sharding, Elrond is an extremely fast and scalable ecosystem, which has a massive amount of ability to scale and grow with a larger user base. Their ability to scale is incredibly future-focused, which is what makes us so bullish on this channel, and is also one of the main issues that Ethereum, one of its main competitors, is currently suffering from. The processing on Elrond is shared between a number of chains rather than being processed through just one, and that means massive speed and scalability for the network. Their testnet can already process an incredible 260,000 transactions per second, giving near instantaneous transaction times and non-existent fees, showing the sheer potential for the protocol. This would very likely make it one of the fastest blockchains currently released. Their Maya app is also fully designed for mass adoption of the protocol, with easy on-ramping of users with 150 fiat currencies and full access to the suite of technologies all through the app, including staking and access to their Maya exchange upon release. When taking a look at all of this, it's hard not to be bullish on the protocol as the bull run progresses. Elrond is currently pumping nicely, and it seems more and more likely to hit some very exceptional price targets this year. A 10x from now would see Elrond to run to around $40 billion in market cap, with a price per token of around $2,500, and considering its current momentum, this is seeming more and more achievable. If Elrond can reach a price target of $400 to $500 in the next month or so, and reach a price of $1,000 or more before the parabola at the end of the bull run, there's no reason to suggest that Elrond couldn't pump to a massive valuation before the end of the bull run. So what are your thoughts on Elrond? Do you like the project, and what is your price prediction for them in 2021 and beyond? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, as we'd be interested to hear your ideas about the price action of Elrond in the future. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, where you can get access to our private Discord. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more, so please hit the big red button. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.